everybody to my YouTube channel. I'm Becky Jayne and I'm happy you were able to find this video. Anyways, let's see, where is it? This little doohickey I bought recently at a Marshall's, I think, or maybe a TJ Maxx. I was down in Houston visiting family, so I bought it because it was pink and I needed something to hold some extra pencils or paint pens that I have. And I just love pink. So I got this because, well, why not? Because pink. I like it. It's okay. I just think it could be more, I guess. Hey, why not make a video out of it? So I do have plans for this. I can't wait to get into it, so let's get started. Okay, first I'm pulling these off. The heat, I guess, helps melt the sticky ick of the stickers, I guess. I'm not sure, this just always makes it easier to come off in usually one piece. The drawings were the quickest part about this. It took me days to finish this, mostly because I was procrastinating a lot, but the drawings were pretty quick. So what I wanted to draw was a cupcake and some donuts and those fluffy cookies I never can remember the names of. The ones with the frosting. Yeah. That. Basically all my favorite sweets. During these first few recordings of these videos, I was still getting used to being on video, so I took a lot of breaks until I managed to get comfortable with the routine and myself. And the fourth one was supposed to be cotton candy, but I scrapped that. Sorry. Because my intentions were to make each sweet pink sweet pinky Twinkie. Wait, there's no Twinkies. You get the point. They were supposed to be pink. Don't get me wrong, pink is my favorite color, but I don't want to ruin my eyes. Well, I mean worsen my eyes every time I look at this. And magic tricks, I am just pulling all the stops. For the cupcake, I did decide to add some smaller cookies to add some more color to break up all the pink. Hold on. Oh, they're just frosted sugar cookies. Huh. Well, that's nice to know. I did have some technical difficulties and lost some footage later in the later half of the video, so bear with me if you see a few extra jumps in the process. I am sorry. Donuts. Why do I do that? I think I'm just hungry right now. I mean, how can I not? I just get so hypnotized by their glaze. I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't resort to puns. Besides, that was so crummy anyways. Stop, I'm done. I'm done, I swear. And since I had 3 consistent colors, the blue, yellow, and pink, since I already had a blue donut on one side, I decided to make a yellow cookie on this side. And look at me, I'm an equal opportunist trying to keep my colors varied. Though I have to admit, it does keep it balanced. I don't think I could have been more happy with how these paintings turned out, but I still needed some extra details. Here I go with some colored pencils, adding in a gradient and then blending it with a wet paintbrush. I love the texture it gives it, so I'm going to continue using my techniques.
Yeah, oops. This is where the lost footage comes in. I just went in and added some reddish pink sprinkles on top of them, little heart sprinkles, and to really pull all the paintings together. And the empty pink space around it looked too empty. Nice description, genius. So I added in some white sprinkles too. And with the final coat of the only sealant I had at the time, I am finished. So like I said, I really loved how this turned out. It looks so much more interesting and alive and adorable than it was before. It's no longer that dull, boring mess it was. So I can very much say I am definitely proud of this one. It was an altogether better video as well compared to my first. So I'll keep working on putting out better content. I hope you enjoyed this video. So like and subscribe if you enjoyed this and found it somewhat entertaining. And I will see you next week in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.